Turmeric is a popular spice. It comes from a plant. It is known for its beautiful yellow color. Turmeric is not just for cooking. It's also a beauty secret. For centuries, people have used turmeric on their skin. It's a natural way to get a healthy glow. Turmeric has special properties that can make your skin look amazing. Let's learn more about this golden spice. Turmeric is great for your skin. This golden spice, often found in your kitchen, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and beauty routines. Its vibrant color is not just visually appealing, but also a sign of its powerful properties. It has something called antioxidants. These antioxidants are crucial in fighting off free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can damage your skin cells and accelerate aging. Antioxidants protect your skin from damage. By neutralizing these free radicals, turmeric helps maintain your skin's youthful appearance and elasticity. Turmeric can also help with inflammation. Inflammation is a common issue that can lead to redness, swelling, and discomfort. Inflammation makes your skin red and irritated. This can be caused by various factors, including environmental stressors, diet, and even certain skincare products. Turmeric can calm your skin down. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe the skin, reducing redness and irritation, and promoting a more even skin tone. This amazing spice can also help with acne. Acne is often caused by bacteria and excess oil production. It fights the bacteria that cause pimples. Turmeric's antibacterial properties make it an effective natural remedy for preventing and treating acne breakouts. Your skin will look clearer and brighter. Regular use of turmeric in your skincare routine can lead to a more radiant complexion. Turmeric is like a natural superhero for your skin. Its multifaceted benefits make it a must-have in your beauty arsenal, helping you achieve healthy, glowing skin. Want to try turmeric? This golden spice isn't just for cooking, it's a powerhouse for your skin too. You can add it to your skincare routine. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help with acne, dark spots, and even give you a natural glow. It's easy to do. One way is to make a turmeric mask. This DIY mask is simple and effective. Just mix turmeric powder with yogurt or honey. These ingredients not only help to bind the mask, but also add their own skin benefits. Apply it to your face and let it sit for 15 minutes. This allows the turmeric to work its magic on your skin. Then rinse it off with warm water. Your skin will feel refreshed and rejuvenated. You can also find turmeric in skincare products. Many brands are now incorporating this wonder ingredient into their formulations. Look for cleansers, creams, and serums with turmeric. These products can help maintain your skin's health and radiance. They can give you a natural and beautiful glow. With regular use, you'll notice a significant improvement in your skin's texture and tone. Section 4. DIY turmeric masks for a healthy glow. Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and beauty routines. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make it a powerful ingredient for skincare. Today, we're going to show you how to harness the benefits of turmeric with 2 simple and effective DIY face mask recipes. Here are 2 easy turmeric face mask recipes you can try at home. These masks are not only cost-effective, but also free from harmful chemicals, making them a great addition to your skincare routine. Turmeric yogurt mask for brightening. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which helps to exfoliate and brighten the skin, while turmeric adds a natural glow. Apply the mixture to your face and neck. Make sure to avoid the eye area, as turmeric can cause irritation if it gets into your eyes. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. This mask will leave your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Turmeric honey mask for acne-prone skin. Mix half a teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is a natural antibacterial agent, making it perfect for acne-prone skin. Apply to your face, focusing on areas with blemishes. This mask can help reduce redness and inflammation, promoting clearer skin. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Your skin will feel soft and smooth with reduced blemishes. Remember to do a patch test first to check for allergies. Apply a small amount of the mask to your wrist and wait for 24 hours to ensure there's no adverse reaction. Enjoy your natural glow and the benefits of these wonderful DIY turmeric masks. Section 5. Embrace the golden glow. Incorporate turmeric into your beauty routine. Turmeric is a powerful spice with amazing benefits for your skin. It can brighten your complexion, reduce inflammation, and fight acne. Try incorporating turmeric into your beauty routine today. Use it in DIY masks or look for it in your favorite skincare products. Embrace the power of turmeric and let your inner beauty shine through.